So I'm sure by this point you have seen creators selling t-shirts and merchandise and things like that right below the videos. That is part of the new shopping setup that YouTube got going on. And here, I'm going to show you how to set that up. I'm going to go behind here in the background of my channel and actually show you that. So welcome to the Content Creator Tool channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. All right, so here we are in the back of one of my channel, and you're going to go all the way to the left, and you're kind of going to come down, and you're going to click on monetization right there. Once you hear that, you're going to see a bunch of different things in here. You're going to see overview, ads, shop, memberships, super giving, and super will be like super thanks and things like that. This is kind of where you see the super thanks, the stickers, and things like that. Obviously, memberships is people that actually have become members of your channel, and then you can see shopping right here. So if you click on the shopping, you're going to be able to see this right here, which is the t-shirts that I have. Now, if you haven't set this up, you're going to have to click in here. There's going to be a link right there that is going to take you to either Shopify, where you can essentially start your own store, or you could use some of the ones that everybody uses, right? There's a couple different companies that YouTube is working with that you can sign up, you could upload your graphics, and you can make your t-shirts, your merchandise, and all that stuff, right? Once you set up your store, just be advised that it's going to take about a couple days before you could see that in here. For me, it took a pretty good day and a half or something like that. So once you set up the store, when you set up your t-shirt, your merchandise, and you connect your store to YouTube, a day or so later, you're going to see that right there. And then again, right below, it's going to say display products in the channel. 3 products automatically selected. And then you're going to have a little icon right here, right behind me. I just moved my cell, where you're going to be able to essentially turn on, right? And if you see right above, you have those 3 little clicks right here, dots. If you click there and you want to get rid of your stores, that's how you get rid of that store. So that's pretty much where you go to pretty much sign up to your store, connect your store to YouTube, and then to kind of set up that automatically. Now, if you go into your videos, and I just click here on a random video, but if you go here to the left, it's going to say monetization. If you click on the monetization right there, it's going to bring you to this page right here. So once you're in this page right here, obviously you're going to be able to pick what kind of apps you want to set up here, right? Usually I have everything in here. If you want to add mid-roll ads, you could do that as well. You can click in here and add them up in there as well. But now you have a shopping tab, and once you click in the shopping, it's going to give you essentially a list of the products you have. Even right here to the top, it's going to say product section as well, and then there's a little icon there that you're going to have to turn on. But again, that's going to show there as well. And that's pretty much the shopping tab right there, guys. Hopefully it helped you guys. Let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next one.